I'm a serious person. I'll seriously tell you one thing. Resident Evil 2 has won at the Golden Joystick Awards 2019 as the ultimate game of the year. Now then, actually, there are past winners as well on Golden Joystick Awards who are just game of the year. But this time, the community opened up Golden Joystick Awards and they have presented Ultimate Game of the Year to Resident Evil 2. Yay! SIS. I'm really excited. I'm gonna get the copy today. My brother mailed it, SIS. And then I'll upload another video. Let's see how the game is. So, congratulations to Capcom team and the whole team who's involved with Resident Evil 2, SIS. And cheers. Ultimate Game of the Year. Jai Jai Shiv Ji. They own everything. You don't know. They are the creator. ऐसा ही है. Ultimate Game of the Year. Resident Evil 2. Congratulations.